Here at Living 808, we're all about having a good time, but we want to make sure you're being safe. Mikey stands by with the Doctors of Waikiki to learn more about how they're putting Hawaii's health first. Mikey?
That's right, Kelly. We are here at Doctors of Waikiki, obviously talking about the health and safety for Hawaii residents. Doctor, let's talk about COVID-19 testing first, and the vaccinations and the boosters. Let's show them the swab, because I know some people get a little scared of this.
This is nothing to be scared about.
This is nothing to be scared about.
It's just a small little swab. It goes in the nose.
Easy.
Nothing. Easy.
So COVID-19 testing, vaccinations, and boosters, how has the combination of all three of them helped the pandemic?
So what we talked about earlier is that getting tested helps contain the spread.
Right.
Getting a vaccine and getting boosted helps also. You might still get sick, but you're not going to get that sick, or you might not get sick at all if you have the vaccine.
Right.
And that's very important due to the fact that this is something that we're going to be living with, just like we do with the flu. We're going to have to find a way to control and contain this, and one of them is by getting tested, and the other one is by getting the vaccine, and then getting boosted, especially as times get more and more advanced, and we're going to get better and better vaccines coming out.
Right. But
we need to do this so that we can live back to a normal life.
Right. And Hawaii, in my opinion, I think we've been doing a great job at adapting to it. Let's talk about how the residents have become comfortable going to urgent cares for non-emergencies.
Well, you know, urgent cares were designed to be someplace to go, instead of going to the emergency room, come to an urgent care. But then, you know, now they're evolving, because it seems to be like the first stop place to go now, because we're available, because our hours are open, people, you can walk in, so it's much more convenient for the public to get treated. And they can get treated from anything, you know, so they can be very sick or they can be mildly ill, and we can take care of them.
So the stereotypes of urgent cares, people going to urgent cares for non-emergencies, have changed then?
Yes,
especially during the pandemic?
And especially during the pandemic, because availability.
Perfect.
Accessibility.
Let's talk about if anybody out there wanted to come down here for testing, vaccinations, boosters, where are you located? For those that's just coming in, where are you located?
We're at the Princess Kaolani Hotel, right across from the Surfrider. We're open every day from 8 o'clock till midnight, 365 days. Come on in.
As far as like our techies out there, what's a good website?
DoctorsofWaikiki.com.
Perfect.
Doctors of Waikiki spelled out.
Perfect. And you guys stay tuned, because in a little bit we're going to come back here to give you a full tour of Doctors of Waikiki. Now, Dr. T has showed you the swab, but John and Kelly, I have something for you. Tilt your head back. Dr. Kelly.
No,
First of all, there's no way I'm letting Mikey touch me. There's no way. Yeah.
Especially when it comes to any like medical procedure type things.
No. We're going to leave it to the pros at Doctors of Waikiki.
Yes.